sweet booby face. Do that again. Hi, sweet booby face. I love you. I love you, booby face. It's a nice sound. I love that sound. I love it. I love it, Bubby. I love your pajamas. What does it say? It says, I love Daddy with a bunny rabbit.